This is how it's all gonna end, is it? Hey? We are alone on a dead planet with a manically depressed robot.
You think you've got problems? What are you supposed to do if you are a manically depressed robot?
Excuse me?
Whoa! Oh. Who are you? What? No, my name is not important.
You must come with me. Get away. Terrible events are afoot. You must come or you be late.
Wait, what for? What? No. What's your name, Earthman?
Dent. Arthur Dent.
Well, late, as in the late Dent Arthur Dent. It's a sort of threat. Do you see? No?
No.
Your friends are safe. You can trust me.
Trust the man who won't tell me his name.
Okay. My name is Slarty Bartfast. I said it wasn't important.
Well, so my friends are safe.
Let me show you.
I could calculate your chances of survival, but you won't like it.
Did you know we built planets? Oh yes. Fascinating trade. Doing the coastlines was always my favourite. And we used to have endless fun doing a little fiddly bits around fields. But then the galactic economy collapsed and seeing that custom built planets are a bit of a luxury commodity, you know. Anyway, you must come with me because there's been a terrible mix-up with your planet. Best laid plans of mice, you know.
And men.
What?
Best laid plans of mice and men.
Yes, well, I don't think men have got much to do in here.
I must warn you, we're going to pass through, well, a solar gateway thing. It may disturb you. Scares the willies out of me. No! Welcome to our factory floor.